Instead of throwing away some leftover wire mesh from a previous backyard project, we decided to give it a new purpose. The mesh had very small holes, making it ideal for holding materials in place. That inspired us to create a unique raised garden bed using a simple 6-layer system, a practical and efficient way to grow plants while recycling what we already had. We started by shaping the wire mesh into a circle. To keep it secure, we fastened both ends to a piece of wood, which helped maintain its shape and provided strength. Once the circular frame was ready, we placed it on the ground and marked its position. Then, we dug a shallow trench along the outline so the mesh could sit firmly. After setting it in place, we refilled the edges with soil to stabilize the structure. This step ensures the frame stays solid and doesn't shift as layers are added. Next came the layering process, the heart of this system. Each layer serves a specific purpose in building a healthy growing environment. First, we added a base of loamy garden soil to provide stability and essential nutrients. On top of that, we placed a layer of kitchen waste such as vegetable peels, fruit scraps, and even spoiled produce. As this layer decomposes, it enriches the soil with organic matter. The third layer consisted of well-decomposed manure, which introduces beneficial microbes and accelerates the breakdown of organic material. Then we added another layer of garden soil to balance the structure and reduce odors. The fifth layer was more decomposed manure to further boost fertility and microbial activity. Finally, we topped everything with mulch, which helps retain moisture, regulate temperature, and suppress weed growth. Once all 6 layers were in place, we watered the bed with compost tea. This nutrient-rich liquid feeds the soil instantly, enhances microbial life, and jumpstarts the decomposition process within the layers. It also provides plants with an immediate boost while the deeper layers continue to break down gradually. After about 8 weeks, the results were impressive. We planted a single tomato plant in the center to test the system, and it has grown strong, healthy, and vibrant. One noticeable change is the drop in soil level, now nearly half of its original height. This is a positive sign, indicating that the organic materials are decomposing and turning into rich, fertile soil. Another benefit we observed is the minimal weed growth. Thanks to the layered design and mulch cover, weeds are greatly reduced, making maintenance much easier. Meanwhile, the tomato plant continues to thrive, drawing nutrients steadily from the decomposing layers below. The wire mesh itself also serves an added purpose. The upper portion acts as a built-in support cage, allowing the tomato plant to grow upright without needing extra stakes or supports. To further strengthen the plant, we pruned the lower leaves and added a mix of soil and compost around the base. This encourages the buried stem to develop additional roots, resulting in a stronger plant. We also applied a mild liquid fertilizer made from weeds, giving it an extra organic boost. This raised bed method is a great example of how simple materials can be transformed into something highly productive. With minimal cost and effort, you can create a nutrient-rich growing system that supports healthy, thriving plants.